How are you? So I am done with Snap 1. Okay, just came out of the examination all. And if you are also the ones who attempted the test, please do let me know in the comments that how many questions you attempted in the examination. And for the ones who are, some of you are going to attempt it in the evening slot. So let me tell you, it was like Snap 2023. First slot exactly like last year's first slot. There was some speed breakers in quant. I agree that there was some very calculation intensive questions. And LR was easy. LR बहुत easy थी. Like there were a lot of questions on critical reasoning, but they were very simple questions. Like one of the questions we had discussed in our video also, like I think that was on pets are not allowed, okay, or something like that. Some notice was put there. What do you get? What does the assumption from that? And course of action based questions, inference based questions, all those were fairly simple questions. There were a couple of questions on binary logic as well. A lot of questions from clocks and calendars. 3-4 questions were from clocks and calendars. Binary logic. Then there were a lot of critical reasoning, coding, decoding. Everything was very easy. Like number series and all those series kind questions were easy. So LR, I would say that was the easiest section, and one should have picked LR first and attempted all the questions in that. Talking about the quant part, there were some questions which were difficult, okay, heavily calculation intensive. Like for example, there was a question ki find the sum of numbers between 569 and 1024 which are multiples of 3 or 7. Okay, so basically you'll have to find all the two arithmetic progressions. You have to find the sum and then remove the common part as well. So it was calculation intensive. Then there were some questions on one of the modern math question which I skipped, was about like pencil eraser to be distributed. What is the probability that boys get pencils or erasers? And there were some other questions also, like it was full of all the types. Like there were questions from geometry and mensuration also. So number of diagonals pucha tha. One was on cone based question. Okay, so it had questions across all topics: numbers, modern math, and arithmetic, algebra, everything. Algebra bhi aayi thi. There were questions on cubic equation. You had to find its roots. I would say that in quant there were some sitters also. It was not that everything was difficult. It was about picking the right set of questions in quant. LR was doable. English was the typical English type, like you have questions on idioms and phrases. There were questions on correct sentence order, adjective, adverb find karne the, and there were questions on figure of speech, that was alliteration. Okay, and there were questions on modal verbs, fill in the blanks, error spotting. Error spotting bhi काफी easy आती है, like subject verb agreement based. Okay, so if you are watching it live, please do comment that how many questions you attempted in the examination. What do you feel about the examination? And if I talk about the cutoff, which most of you would be interested in, I would say that it will be at par with Snap 2023, because I found this paper comparable with Snap 2023. Okay, the kind of the level की English typical Snap type की English आई थी, जो question last year आए थे उसी तरह के question थे. Quant was could be a speed breaker, and if someone attempted wisely कि जो lengthy question उनको skip कर दिया and attempted the doable ones, could have done well on it. So if I talk about the cutoff for SIBM Pune, it is going to be in excess of 45. SCM HRD SIBM Pune, last year SCM HRD had a higher cutoff. So I would say that around 45, 46 could be the cutoff for 98 plus percentile. Then 95 percentile could be at around 42 or so, because it was all about picking the right set of questions. Yes, there were difficult questions in quant, some of them, not many, but let's see that how it turns out to be in the other slots. Suppose like last year, first slot had slightly bit difficult quant and second slot had easy quant, so people scored more in that slot. So let's wait and watch. We have one more test. I wish all the best to the aspirants who are going to appear on that. And slot, like this time they are going to have 6 exams. So 2 exams on each of the days. So let's see, wait and watch, and what happens in the other slots. So this was the feedback. Like English, same as last year. LR in easy side. Okay, there were questions on, like if one had prepared those topics like binary logic. There were 2 questions on binary logic. There were questions on clocks and calendars. So if you had covered those essential topics and done decent in critical reasoning, you would have aced the LR part. Since there is no sectional cutoff, it was wise to maximize your score there. Quant, apart from there were some difficult questions, rest of the part I think was doable, and people should have been able to pick the right set of questions and do well. Let's watch other slots as well and then decide that what would be the cutoff. Actually the cutoff is going to be the highest, so whichever slot turns out to be easy will give the like most number of toppers. Okay, so all the best to those who are going to attempt it in the coming slot and in the subsequent examination. At 6 p.m. we will have a question discussion session, and at 9 p.m. we will have a session on English replica. In the next week we will be conducting sessions on replica of Snap 2024. What was asked, similar questions we will be covering in the next few days. So please do subscribe to the channel. So all the best who are going to enter for the examination now.